guys, this is Sahil from alphabetazone.com, and in this video I will show you how to make a privacy on your Snapchat story. So if you want to set a privacy on your Snapchat story similar to WhatsApp, you can do it by using this feature of Snapchat. First you need to open your Snapchat app, and here you need to click on the profile icon at the top left corner. Now you will see lots of options, but you need to select the setting option. Under setting option you need to scroll down and you need to go on privacy control section. Here you will see that option called view my story. Click on it. Now you can see that I had selected that everyone can view my story. You can select it by friends only, so only your friends will be able to see your story. Or if you want a specific friend to view your story on Snapchat, you will select on custom. Here you will find a list of people who is in your friend list, and you can choose them that which friend you want to show your story. So this is the way to customize or privacy your story on Snapchat. I hope this guide was helpful and you will be able to set a privacy on your Snapchat story. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and visit our website alphabetazone.com.